20 Minutes Setswana presents
Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning how to say, what is this? And how much does it cost? Are you ready, kids? To ask, what is this in Sesotho, we say, ke eng se. And to ask, how much does it cost in Sesotho, we say, ke bokae. Now let's see how Abuti uses these phrases.
Dumela ke eng se.
Ke titolwana.
Ke bokae.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. You remember that in the sentence, ke a tsamaya, ke means I. But when we say ke eng se, we're actually saying, it is what this. And when we say ke bokae, we're actually saying, it is how much. So here, the ke means it is.
Dumela ke eng se.
Ke meroho.
Ke bokae. Dumela ke eng se.
Ke lebese.
Ke bokae. Dumela ke eng se.
Ke bohobe.
Ke bokae.
And now you know how to say, what is this? And how much does it cost in Sesotho. Goodbye, Abuti.
Sala hantle.
Samandle.